Hello and welcome to the channel. Today, we're uncovering the vital importance of protecting freshwater springs and why these natural water sources are so crucial. Here are 5 fascinating facts about why freshwater springs matter. Fact 1. Clean water supply. Springs provide pure, naturally filtered water, supporting drinking water needs for communities and sustaining aquatic ecosystems. Fact 2. Biodiversity sanctuaries. They host unique species like endemic fish and invertebrates, preserving biodiversity in stable, mineral-rich environments. Fact 3. Groundwater recharge indicators. Springs reflect the health of underground aquifers, signaling issues like overextraction or pollution in water systems. Fact 4. Climate resilience. Springs maintain consistent water flow and temperature, offering reliable habitats and resources during droughts or climate shifts. Fact 5. Cultural and recreational value. Springs hold spiritual significance for indigenous groups and attract visitors for swimming and relaxation, boosting local economies. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time. Bye!